Good day, everybody, welcome to today's video. In today's video I got a Tecumseh 10 horsepower snowblower engine, and I'm going to show you how to remove the flywheel without using any fancy tools at all. All you need is the factory flywheel nut, a socket that fits over top, and a hammer. Let's go to work and I'll show you how it's done. So it's a 15/16. That flywheel's on there, stuck on there good. So you see these flywheel pullers all the time, or just like a threaded insert that goes on the crank itself. So what they'll do is they'll thread it on fully, then back it off a little bit. But what if I just put a socket over top of there and then hit it? Will it have the same effect? So in this case, I'm going to try 19 mil. See if that works. Need to get all this crap out of my way. Oh, it worked. Hey, it worked. No fancy tool needed. There we go. Off. So there you have it. That was a quick video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You don't need any fancy tools. You can make do with some basic hand tools in your garage to make this job happen. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next one.